There's a quiet mistake that drains about $10,000 a year from the average small business. It isn't fraud, and it isn't a slow season. It's hiding inside their own books, and most owners never notice. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where the money leaks, why your bank balance hides it, and the 15-minute habit that stops it. Here's the trap. Most owners judge the whole business by one number, the balance in the account. But that balance only shows what already happened. It never shows you what's leaking. It's like the fuel gauge in your truck. It tells you how much is left. It never tells you the tank has a hole. Leak number 1. The subscriptions you forgot you're paying. The software you trialed once. The app your old bookkeeper signed up for. The $30 tool nobody's opened in a year. On their own, they look tiny. Across 12 months, they quietly add up to hundreds, sometimes thousands. Picture a small contractor still paying for 3 project apps he stopped opening months ago. At $40 each, that's over $1,400 a year for absolutely nothing. Leak number 2. The invoices nobody chased. You did the work, you sent the invoice, and then it just sat there. 30 days, 60, 90. Every unpaid invoice is your money sitting in someone else's account. And the longer it ages, the less likely it ever gets paid. Or a freelancer carrying 4 unpaid invoices, about $3,000, every one of them past 60 days. That's money she already earned, just sitting in someone else's bank account. Leak number 3, and this is the big one, the deductions you'll never claim. The mileage you didn't log, the home office costs, the receipts that faded in the truck console. Every legitimate expense you fail to track is profit you hand to the taxman for no reason at all. Or the owner who drove 8,000 miles for work last year and logged exactly none of them. At the standard mileage rate, that's more than $5,000 in write-offs he'll simply never get back. So add it up. A few hundred in forgotten subscriptions. A couple thousand stuck in late invoices. A few thousand in missed write-offs. $10,000 a year isn't the worst case. For a lot of businesses, it's the conservative estimate. And here's the thing, none of these are exotic problems. They're the most ordinary things in business, which is exactly why they go unnoticed for years. And it never shows up as one scary number. That's exactly why it survives. It bleeds out a little at a time. So here's the fix. And it isn't work harder, and it isn't hire an expensive accountant. It's visibility, seeing every dollar, in and out, in one place, once a week. Because when you can see the leaks, you plug them. The subscription gets canceled. The invoice gets chased. The expense gets logged while you still remember it. That's the whole reason a tool like this exists, a cash flow dashboard that pulls your money into one clear view. Watch it close, all 3. The recurring view lists every subscription you have in one place, so the dead ones are impossible to miss. The money in view shows you exactly which invoices are still unpaid and how many days they've been sitting there. And every expense lands in a category the moment you enter it. So when tax time comes, nothing is lost. Then pair it with one 15-minute habit a week. Cancel one thing you don't use, chase one overdue invoice, and log the week's expenses. 15 minutes a week is the whole thing standing between you and that $10,000 leak. It runs right in your browser. $47, one time, no subscription, which, given the topic, felt only fair. It's part of the bookkeeping kit on our Etsy shop. Find it, search Niche Toolkits. I'll see you in the next one.